Good morning, children. So, in my previous videos, we have learned all about large numbers in Indian system. So, you have understood how to read large numbers in Indian system, how to write their number names, comparing them, and so on so forth. Now, children, is the time to learn international system. And you must be wondering, why should we learn international system? But children, it's very, very important when you grow up and if you become a scientist and you have to exchange notes with other scientists of different countries, you cannot speak numbers in terms of lakhs and crores since they will not understand. In that case, you need to speak numbers in terms of millions using international system. Also, when you hear news, you read newspapers, and it's so many places like BBC News, they speak numbers in terms of millions. So it's very, very important for us to learn the international system very, very thoroughly. So, children, come, let's start with it. International System of Numeration. This system you have already studied in class 4. But in that class, you have studied only till 1 million. Children, in class 5, we are also going to study 10 million and 100 million. So, children, in this system, there are 3 periods. Ones period, thousands period, and millions period. In each of these periods, we have 3 places each. That means in ones period, we have ones, tens, and 100. In thousands period, we have 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And in millions period, we have 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. Now, this is very easy. You write 1 for 1, 10, 100, you know, 1,000 also you know, 10,000. Now for 100,000, we put a comma after ones, tens, and hundreds, we put a comma. It shows that ones period is over and thousands period has started. So this is 100,000. For 1 million, you can see there are 2 commas. One when ones period has got over and thousands period has started. The other comma is when thousands period gets over and millions period starts. Same way, there are 2 commas in 10 million and in 100 million. It is very, very important for all of you to learn this system of numeration. It should be there on your fingertips to read the number names very, very comfortably. Otherwise, you will keep counting ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 like that. So it's better that we learn it and we use it, and then it becomes convenient for us once it is on our fingertips. Okay. Now, here I have written a few numbers, and all these numbers have been written in the place value chart. When the numbers are in place value chart, it becomes easier to read the numbers. So children, we are going to read these numbers, and once you have read the number, you would know how to write the number name. Okay. Now, digits which are there in one period, they will be read together. For instance, 1 is in 100 millions period, 100 million place, 3 is in 10 millions place, and 5 is in 1 millions place. So I will read it like this: 135 million 792,468. Please pay attention, children. In this 1, 3 and 5 I have read together because they are there in millions period. 7, 9 and 2 are in thousands period, so I have read them together. Let me read this number once again. 135,792,468. Okay, let's read the next number. 346,800,245. See, children, in this 3, 4 and 6 were lying in millions period. So I read it 346 millions. 800 were lying in thousands period. So 800 means 800. So I read it like this: 800,245. Please don't get confused, since you have said 100 here also, and here also. Here it is only 100. Here it is 100,000. This place is 100,000 and this place is 100 million. So I repeat it once again: 346,800,245. Let's move to the next number. 700,200,357. Okay, let's go to the next one. 220,460,580. I repeat, 220,460,580. I'm sure you must have got the hang of it. Let's read this once more. 220,460,580. Okay, let's see the next one. 952,870. Please pay attention, children. I did not say 0,000,000 because I don't need to say that. When I don't say 1,000, it means automatically that there are zeros in all the places of thousands. At 1,000 place, 10,000 place and 100,000 place, there are zeros. I repeat this number again: 952,870. Let's read the next one. 513,027,003. Let us read this number. 513,027,003. Children, here there is a zero. So I read it 27,003. I repeat, 513,027,003. Okay, the last one, 879,000,000 915,712. I hope, children, you would have understood how to read and then write the numbers, large numbers in international system of numeration. The place value chart must have helped you. In our next video, we are going to learn how to read the numbers when they are written using only commas. Okay, children? Please practice them well so that we can do it with commas comfortably. Thank you and have a nice day.